welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today I'm going to be cooking tea on this portable induction hob that I've been kindly gifted from AMZCHEF. When they reached out to me, I jumped at the chance because I have been wanting a portable hob for a little while, and the reviews on this one seemed really good. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it before I cook tea on it. So obviously it's portable, it's over 93% thermal efficient, has an overheating protection, it has touch control, 20 power and temperature settings, safety features and warranty. And portable induction hobs can be a practical and efficient way to cook in a variety of situations. So if you have a caravan or you like camping, it's brilliant for that. If you don't have an induction hob and you want to cook more efficiently, great for that too. So with this, you have the benefits of induction cooking, such as the energy efficiency, the safety, but you also have the portability. And they heat up quickly and they offer temperature control, so it's brilliant for that. So I'm cooking a chicken and mushroom meal that I'm going to put with rice. So basically it's a one-pot meal, but yeah, so I'm adding a little bit of oil. I set it to the sear setting and I didn't realise it's like for searing things, and I had it way too hot. This thing heats up, it's brilliant. I wasn't expecting it to be that powerful. So I did turn it down. It's really easy. The instructions are really easy. It comes with full instructions. It even tells you what kind of pan. So you need an induction safe or induction suitable pan. So I had this sauce from Lidl and I thought today was a brilliant time to use it to test out the hob. I just cooked up the chicken and the mushrooms, added the sauce. I turned it up a little bit when I added the sauce just to make sure it cooked through properly, and brought it to like a boil. And then I added the lid to it and I turned it down again just to let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. And it was super simple to use. Like one look on the instructions and it was easy. It's got this lock feature so you can't change the settings by accident, and you have to hold your finger on it for 3 seconds to unlock it. So yeah, you can't just accidentally do that, if you know what I mean. And it warns you that it's hot until it's cooled down, like you do not touch the top. And yeah, I was really pleasantly surprised with this. I want this for the summer because I'm not a big barbecuer, but I like to be out in the garden, and you know, cooking in the summer, the house gets hot. So I can pop on chili, I can do tacos, and I can be in the garden because I've got the you know, the plug sockets in the garden in the weatherproof box. I've got all that done properly. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. They store really easily. It just slotted into my cupboard. Didn't have to worry about rejigging everything to store it. And these are great if you've got a little kitchen and you can't fit a bigger stove and you need extra hob rings, especially at Christmas time when you're feeding lots of people. An extra hob is always handy. So if you like this, check out the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.